In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Skype. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find people, send requests, invite new users, and start connecting in just a few clicks. First, open the Skype app on your device, give it a moment to load, and make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation. Click on the Contacts tab. This is where all your existing contacts live, usually listed alphabetically, and it's a great place to quickly check who's already available. Next, look for the option labeled New Contact and select it. A new panel or window will open with tools to help you find the person you're looking for. In the search field, you can type a Skype name, an email address, a phone number, or a full name. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. If you see multiple matches, check details like profile pictures or locations to make sure you've got the right person before sending a request. When you've found the correct profile, click Add or Send Request. You may be able to include a short note to introduce yourself, which can help the other person recognize you. After you send the request, it will show as pending until they accept. Once they approve it, they'll appear in your contacts list and you'll be able to reach out right away. If the person you want to connect with isn't on Skype yet, choose Invite to Skype. You can send an invitation by SMS, by email, or by sharing your Skype profile link. Pick the option they're most likely to see quickly. Just keep in mind that SMS or data rates may apply depending on your plan. Your invite will guide them through creating an account and connecting with you. There's also an alternative method called Add by Phone Number. Select that option, enter the person's first and last name, then type their phone number. Double check the country code to make sure it's correct and click Save. This creates a contact entry tied to that number, making it easier to connect if they use that number with Skype. Once your contact is added or has accepted your request, you can start sending messages or jump into a voice or video call right from their profile. A quick hello is a nice way to confirm everything's working. You've successfully added a contact on Skype. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Skype tips and tutorials.